Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to score this beautiful double leaf pattern on our batard. I will start by spraying water on the loaf. It helps with maintaining moisture and also generating steam. Then we'll dust the entire loaf with flour. The flour will provide us with the white background that will make our scoring pattern more distinguished. I like to use a toothpick to do the outline of my score pattern. As you can see, I'm doing this nice curve that is half of the H shape, the number 8. The curved line will serve as one side of the leaf, and then you can use a toothpick to draw the outline, the rest of the outline. So one leaf, then you turn the loaf and do the other. And then you start scoring however you want your leaf pattern to look. I start by making shallow marks in the leaf itself, and then scoring the middle curved line. This particular score is the deepest score of the entire pattern, because I intend for it to be like the ear of the loaf. And then the rest of the pattern is more shallow. So inside the leaf is you have the shallowest of the scores. I variate different length and different depths. But when I do the outside of the leaf itself, I turn, as you can see, I turn the lamb slightly at like a 30-degree angle so that I can get underneath the pattern and lift it a little bit. I'm using the Wiremonkey lamb on this particular score. I have decided to experiment with this particular handheld lamb instead of like the long handle ones, because I think it will help me do more precise scoring. Then in that, as you can see, in that space, the empty space that I see between the leaves and the central curved line, I added thin leaf pattern scores as well. And again, the score marks are not too deep, they're on the shallow end, because I don't want it to flip open too much. I just want the pattern to be visible. And our loaf is almost ready to be baked. I usually bake this at 500 degrees in a Dutch oven for about 20 minutes, and then I remove the lid, lower the temperature to 400, and bake another 20 minutes. The pattern looks gorgeous on this loaf. If you like this video, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials, and will continue to score art on your loaves. And for daily posts, please visit me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you soon.